Hello, folks. So I'm back. I'm looking at the EatClub app now. So actually, today morning I noticed one more thing over here, something called Homely Everyday something. I think it was similar to Zomato Everyday. I can't see it now. I think it is available only in the mornings, or they removed it because of some bug, or maybe I was just sleepy and looked at one of these, something inside these, and can't remember which one. But it was one of these, like it was inside this only. And when I went in and tried to order, funnily I couldn't order. For example, let's say you want dal and rice, or dal and roti. Not roti, I think they had fulka, paratha and rice as a choice. And I was trying to choose, I was planning to simply check it out. But funnily I couldn't add the item at all, because for choosing the base, which is rice, fulka or paratha, they didn't even show me the options. They just had options for some add-on. For example, I think some add-ons like sweets and desserts and stuff, but they didn't show me any way to add or choose one of, say, rice, fulka or paratha. And because of this I couldn't add also. Like there was only add button and some check boxes to choose, say, desserts and all. And when I click add button, it just said you have to choose the base item, but there was nothing shown in the app to choose the base item itself, right? Unfortunately I didn't capture that out. While I noticed it, I was in a hurry to get to my work. So I was like, I'll do this later, and now I'm not able to show it. Let me see if I can find it, or I'll stuck it. This one is a rice bowl, so of course it will say. So here something similar to this, right? It showed these, but it didn't show this. But this one is about rice, the NH1 bowls. I'm looking at something like chole and whatnot, but anyways. The craziest part is apps like Swiggy and all, they'll allow you to search for food, right? You don't have any search feature over here. Like I can't go and search saying I'm looking for chole, or I'm looking for say chicken and whatnot. You have to just basically look at these and understand. Say if you want pizza, you have to look at this and say, okay, pizza is inside this, so go to the pizza, and then here you can search probably. Let's see if you can search something nice. Okay, so looks like the search works well. It's just that maybe let me try on this, right? Say dal something, dal makhani. I think this is what I was trying. Paratha or rice and whatnot. Actually, this one shows paratha, tawa paratha and all, and what to choose. This one is a meal though. That was different actually. This is just the desi dal tadka. I don't know, that was different actually. That was a different, it was looking different by itself. I remember it saying home everyday something, and I was like, wait, this sounds like Zomato everyday, right? And it was costing very less too, like something like $100, right? That's all. So this was similar to Zomato everyday, like $100, $99, $69, $89 and whatnot. So just paratha and dal, or paratha and chole and things like that. So I was actually interested in it. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll check it out, say at 10 a.m. and all. And like I said, you can't actually see search over here. What else? And by the way, today when I ordered, so let me show you. You can see that I have some credits. It's because I got a refund for an order because the order wasn't delivered to me. Let me show that to you one moment. So as you can see here, so this is what I ordered today, right? So you can see the details here, and so I didn't get this order basically. So I didn't get a call from the delivery partner. I was actually in a meeting. I was doing an interview, like taking an interview for someone, interviewing someone, and I didn't get any calls. Usually when I get a call and I'm in a meeting, which is very usual these days, or I need to do something and I can't get to them immediately. It has been happening like twice or thrice these days. So in the last 2 3 years. So what I say is keep it downstairs in the table, since they can't enter our premises and all, and the security guards don't take parcels, food deliveries and all. So there are some tables available outside near the security guard, and so I say keep it there and I'll take it. So I was thinking that this guy didn't call me, the delivery person, and I thought maybe they kept it, but I was looking for it, and then I had to simply say, I was like, did they keep it here and someone else took it, or did they not keep it in the first place? Is it my fault, or is it like, I mean, of course, if they kept it here, and then it's just my fault. Like, I was in a meeting, I should have just. But there is no way to even change the timing, I believe. Even Zomato everyday doesn't allow you to change the schedule and all, I think, or change the delivery address also, right? It's annoying. There must be some reason to it. Maybe they scheduled it, so hence they don't want to, and they have planned for it and assigned people according to that schedule and whatnot. So hence they don't, and created a. It's basically a operations optimization problem, right? Optimize operations. So operational problem. They basically optimize who goes to which place at what time and whatnot. So it's all scheduled and planned. So once it's done, if they change it, it's not going to be optimal for them to actually change it. It's going to cause problems for them, I guess. So probably because of that, they don't allow changing. So I don't know. So anyways, here, yeah, I mean, I don't think I get the option to change. Funnily, when I say, for example, 12:30 p.m. to 1 p.m., they actually deliver only after 1 p.m. They say, once I say the slot is 12:30 p.m. to 1 p.m., after the order, it shows that you are scheduled for 1 p.m. It doesn't even say the slot range. It doesn't say a slot time, right? It just says you're scheduled for 1 p.m. and then it comes around 1:15, 1:20 p.m. or something like that. Basically after the slot, right? Zomato everyday is pretty good in that sense. I think EatClub still has to mature a lot. Funnily, I noticed one. One moment, let me show it to you. One blog somewhere mentioning that EatClub was actually founded and started even before Swiggy and Zomato, which is a bummer, which means they really didn't do great, I guess, because at least in my view, I never heard of EatClub. At least maybe in Bangalore they're popular or something, I don't know. In Chennai and all, I haven't heard much of them, and I've never used them and all that. And so I was like, okay. And even now they are not like that great. Their UI, their features and all. Of course, they are burning a lot of money. They're providing offers and all. Feature-wise, like how good, for example, today morning and all, I noticed bug. And I understand software means you can have bugs. Like even I'm a software developer. It's hard to avoid bugs, especially when you're a startup and all. And I believe startups means not just new companies, but even old companies working to create big impact, right? So I get it, all that, like, you have to be fast and correct. It's not easy and whatnot. But then it's affecting your business well, because I couldn't order what I wanted to order. Like today morning, for example, like let's say I wanted to order dal paratha or something. Though I wasn't planning on ordering dal paratha, I was just looking though. I was simply trying it out. Then you would have lost your order, right? Which means you lose money. Anyways. So I don't know, like if they make mistakes that's going to make them lose money, they can't sustain as a business, right? Let me show you that blog that was talking about this, and let me also look at like when this was founded. One more. Yeah, so as you can see, it says Mumbai-based EatClub Brands was founded in 2012. So that's how it sounds like. And I was noticing somewhere some blog said 2010, I think. Yeah, this is the one, the medium one. So this one says it's like next generation and all that. I don't know who this Ratnakar Malar guy is. So this food delivery brand has been there for a longer time. This was incorporated in the year 2010 and all. Runs a cloud kitchen setup called Boxhead. and whatnot. And this was written a year ago. This doesn't have any mention of like that homely food that I was talking about. Maybe that homely meal thing is a new thing, which I'm noticing only now. Anyways, and looks like that umbrella thing has been there for some time, because this is 2023, and you know they've got, this guy has gotten the umbrella even then. So oh, so this is Eat Club stuff, is it? Oh, box head. Yeah, I've noticed this box actually. Um, I've noticed this box in my hostel. Interesting. And looks like this guy was trying to market for Eat Club, of course. Anyways, so so that was the end of the article. I think it just talks about Boxhead and Mozo, which is by Eat Club, and there's also other stuff, I think. So 2012 company, well, they aren't that great, I guess. And so I ordered this. I was wondering if it's my mistake that I keep telling the delivery guys to keep it in the table and all, and probably someone took it or it's just gone or something like that. But then I just simply said, however, that I didn't receive my order, and I didn't even get a call for them to say, like, the delivery person didn't even call me and say like, hey, I'm leaving the box over here or whatever, right? So I was like wondering what happened, right? And my notification said order delivered, but I wasn't looking at it because I was in the interview. And so I told them that I didn't get the order. You know what they said? This chat thing said, it said just send an email. So I sent an email. Let me show you. So this is the email I sent. I did not receive my order. I did not get all calls, basically any calls. I just said by mistake all calls, any calls from the delivery partner also. So they said, thanks for reaching out. You're sad to hear that your E-Club experience did not live up to our promise and all that. They refunded this thing, and it is in my credits. I can only use it in my app wallet. So looks like they'll always do refunds as credits and not as money. I think it's classic. Even Zomato does some stuff like this. I remember once Zomato gave me Tikona Paratha instead of Tawa Roti, and I asked for Tawa Roti, and then they refunded 40 rupees or something. And I said, okay, next time just don't do this, especially don't send me rice if I ask for, say, paratha or roti or whatever, right? So there's only 3 options usually: paratha, roti and rice. Please don't send me rice by mistake also. So but yeah, refunds coming as wallet money, I'm like, I'll be annoyed because now I need to use the app again, even if I don't want to use it. For example, I don't plan on using this Eat Club again for now, or maybe I might use it tomorrow. Let's see. They say my next order will be awesome, but I don't know, right? Because this happened without even a call from the delivery partner, right? And these people are also bad with their support, right? So I don't know what to do. Like, only this support was good. At least they have refunded some money and put it as credits, but in general their support is not so. I don't know how good their support is. Like, for example, I paid them $50 twice and got their membership twice. They still haven't replied to that email. And the other thing, they replied at least. They said, when I asked, hey, I'm not able to use first 3 code thrice because I used it for membership and whatnot. They said, as we can see, I've already ordered thrice. That's all we can do. I don't know if they even read the whole thing properly and whatnot. But I was like, it's fine. Like, I don't get the offer, it's fine. I generally get 89 rupees off for my $299 food. Instead of $200 off, that's like what? I think some 111 rupees or something, whatever. it's fine. I'm fine with it. So that's that. And so instead of not even 111, so instead of 224, instead of 138, I paid 224, which is like somewhat 138, 224 is like, and I think 86 rupees difference. That's all, right? So that's like very, not even 86, but 224, right? 100, so 234, and then 238, yeah, it is 86. Yep. Let me see. Oops. 224 minus 138, 86. Yep, it's 86. So yeah, I mean, like, that's fine. 86 bucks offer. I lose it. It's fine. But yeah, I mean, this 51 rupees thing, they didn't even reply yet. I don't know when they plan to reply. I'm happy that they at least replied to this order not received thing, because I did pay 224 rupees, and I was actually looking forward to eating food, because I was last I ate was like at 3:30, and then I was planning to eat at 7. I ate at 4, and then I was planning to eat at 7:30 actually, and I couldn't see any food around, and I was like, damn, my food is not here. What do I do? And because at my workplace you can't get proper food at 7:30, you can get it at 8:30. So that's the dinner time start. Then I waited till 8:30 to get dinner, and yeah, I didn't order on EatClub, because I was like, when will it come, when will I eat, and what will I eat, because a lot of things said sold in the protein bowl and all, and I wanted to eat the protein bowl, try it out and all. Anyways, what else? I wanted to show the 30% off, right? Even for like high amounts. For example, let's go here and order some pizzas maybe, though I don't really eat pizzas. Or since I don't eat pizzas, why not put something else? Something healthy, let's say mini meals. Let's say I get this mini meal, let's say paratha. I say this, I go here and I remove this and all. 6-month membership, we'll come back to this. Now let's say I increase this to 153 again, repeat, add new, oh no, not add new, repeat last, and repeat last, again I have to say, instead of saying this, can I say add new, like, can I just say a lot of money, like, let's see how much will it go to. Do they allow like too much of it? Okay, they do. I don't think they'll have so much rajma at all, right? It's a rajma mini meal, right? I doubt they'll have enough rajma. Maximum quantity selection for this item is 99. Interesting. I still doubt they'll have 99 of them, but let's add the items. And as you can see, so it's 21,681, and you get 30% off of that. So you get 2,000 off, I think. Let's see if that is right. So 21,681, 30% of that, right? So let's go ahead and do the math. So it's what, 21,681, right? 21,681 divided by 100. You should actually get 6,000 rupees, but they only do 2,000 rupees. They only did 2,073 rupees. So looks like 2,000 is their max. They don't go above that. Let's just do then less than this, right? Like let's go below, because it doesn't matter if you order this much. So 2,000 is the max, right? So they have a cap, basically 30% till 2,000 is the cap. So we can clearly see that they have a cap. So if 30% max is 2000, then how much is it? So 20,000 by 3, something around 6,000 something. 20,000 by 3, right? 20, 1, 2, 3 by 3, 6,666. So we can just order that much. And let's see if it starts decreasing after that. So it looks like you can get offers till like 2000, the 30% off, and then they cap it there. Pretty smart, because they lose a lot of money if they start giving too much offers like that. But they lied that there is no ifs and but. There is an if and but. There is a max cap, and then there's just 2000, and there is a minimum order amount, which is I think 100 or 200, right? Or 150 something. So as you can see over here, I have put 5,600 something. Even now it's 2000. I'm just wondering how. Let me just increase the timer for this. Yeah, I have timers for all of this. So yeah, if it's 7,665, you get 2,000 off. Why? 30% of this, right? 7,665. Oops. Divided by 100. Oh, that is still 2,300. So what is 30% of X being 2,000? So okay, 7,600, and so I think this total value has to be 6,000, right? Not this value. Instead, total value has to be 6,000. Let me bring it back to 6,600 something, right? Now we'll start losing money. Yeah, so now you can see 6,300 and something, 6,500 and something. You can get this. So 6,570 into 30 divided by 1,000. Sorry, 100. 1971. Instead of 1971, they are giving me 2,000 rupees. How? Okay, it is 1971, of course. It's because of the delivery, of course. Yeah, that's what I kind of guessed it. It's the delivery charge and the packaging and delivery charge that they have considered over here to say it's 2,044, right? So if I add a bit more money, then I'll get a full 2,000 rupees offer, right, which is the max. So you can only get 2,000 rupees max offer here. So that's that. So I'm gonna have a hard time reducing this to 0. I wish they had a complete delete, but looks like they don't. And funnily, they remember their orders. Even if I remove the whole thing and get out of the app, they'll again open the app, they'll say you have Dili Rajma. So I end up having to put up something random, say this, and get rid of everything else. And so if I get out of the app, you can actually see. One moment, let me show it to you. Remove this, get out of the app, and open the app again. So of course it will have this here. Now let's say I remove the masala lemonade and then come out of the app. So now there is nothing in my cart, right? So you can actually see there's nothing in my cart, or so I think. And now there is no way to look at the cart, is it? Let me look at it. So yeah, there's no way to look at the cart. But let's say I get out of the app now and then open the app again, and it will actually say masala lemonade again, right? Which is just crazy. Like you can see here, now it says masala lemonade again. I removed it, but it says it again. And as you can see, use credits 33. Oh, this one I have credits, that's why I can't apply promo code pro EatClub because they have a minimum order of 100, as I said. So Yeah, they do have a minimum of how much order value for applying the 30% off for from the Eat Club membership, and they do have what do you say cap on the offer. So yup, like any sustainable business, they are mindful of how much offers they give, which is a good thing. But they shouldn't lie over here ideally. But they're a business. Anything is fair in love, war, and business, I guess. So no minimum order, lie. No ifs and buts, lie. No max discount cap, lie. So yeah, and the last thing, let me try to order their membership for 6 months, the trial. Wait. So this is the orders page, right? So as you can see here, and I have a membership for you can see here that I have a membership for 365 days, and just a moment, you can see it here. I have a membership for 365 days, and wait, oops, yeah, 365 days. So yeah, and I will try to get the reorder here and say change plan and add 6 months trial and select an address, make the payment. There's nothing to pay over here, so confirm order. Let's see if they reduce it, and if they reduce, I'm going to be like, okay, bye bye, right? I'm going to quickly check what is the number of days I have, and yeah, have you received this order? I don't know. They will usually send an email and WhatsApp and all. Let's see, have you received this order? I don't know, only time will tell. See, they made it as 180 days. Stupid people. Like, they made it 180 days. So I'll have to probably talk to them and tell them that, hey, see, I paid $100, 50 plus 50, $100, and now they've actually made my I'll cancel this order. Cannot update order status. Awesome. Nope. And yeah, it looks like whatever I thought happened. And basically it's weird that they talk about order as food only over here in the chat, and their membership is also like part of the thing. So I'll have to actually now talk to them and then say, hey, you folks, are you people idiots, right? So I can't even click submit now. Awesome. So let me just copy this then. Copy, cut this up, and what do I say? Oh, I've already given the feedback. Cool. I'll go ahead and complain it to them. Yeah, it's just weird stuff. I'll have to go back and complain to them and say, hey, what is this stupidity, and talk to them. But yeah, other than that, that's all I had to show in this video and talk about in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.